Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your girl Felicia, and I'm back with something wild for you today. We talking about them Mexican jumping beans. Yo, you ever heard about those? Nah, let me break it down for you real quick. So check this out. These beans ain't just beans, they got a little something moving inside them. Yeah, for real. There's like a tiny little bug inside, a moth larva or something, that makes the bean hop around. It's out here trying to keep itself from getting too hot. Like it's dodging the heat like we do in the summer. Know what I'm saying? And get this, they from Mexico, which is why they call them Mexican jumping beans. Folks been picking them up as a fun little trick like, yo, check out my jumping beans. But really, it's that bug inside just trying to stay cool. Kinda wild, right? So next time y'all see one, don't be freaking out like, why this bean trying to run away? It's just that little moth baby inside moving around. Anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. Stay cool, stay curious, and I'ma catch y'all later. Peace.